What if I told you that rebuilding your muscles and regaining your strength doesn't start at the gym, but in the quiet moments before sleep? Just one spoon, one habit, one change, and your body begins to transform overnight. If you're over 60 and want to feel stronger every morning, don't skip this video. Your comeback could begin tonight. In a world that glorifies hustle and speed, we forget that the most powerful transformations happen in silence. Not when we move fast, but when we move with intention. Not during chaos, but in the stillness of night. Tonight I want to speak directly to you, to the man who once lifted his grandchild with ease but now feels unsteady on the stairs. To the woman who once danced in the kitchen and now reaches for walls to balance. To the senior who's been told that weakness is part of aging. Let me say this with all the strength I can offer. Your strength is not gone, it's simply been neglected. And starting tonight, you can rebuild it. Not with injections. Not with expensive routines. Not even with hours of exercise. But with one spoon before bed. Yes, just one. And your body will remember what it means to be strong again. 1. The hidden epidemic no one talks about. There's a silent struggle happening in millions of homes. It's not cancer, it's not heart disease. It's sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass and strength with age. It's in the man who can't rise from the toilet without help. It's in the woman who falls once and never trusts her legs again. It's in every singer who stops walking long distances, not because they don't want to, but because they physically can't. And yet, very few doctors even bring it up. Instead, they hand out medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, sleep, but they ignore the root of your independence, your muscle. Let me be crystal clear. You do not have to accept muscle loss as your fate, because your body is always listening. It's always ready to respond if you give it what it needs. And what it needs might be the easiest, gentlest, most powerful gift you can offer it. A nightly dose of fuel before bed. Cue the science behind just one spoon. Let's break this down. This isn't a myth, this is backed by real science. Your body is designed to heal, grow, and recover while you sleep. Especially after 60, when repair processes need more support. And 3 key ingredients, taken together, have been proven to reignite muscle regeneration overnight. And 1 whey protein, the builder. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, the very bricks your muscles are made from. But as we age, we become less efficient at absorbing protein. So that piece of chicken at dinner, your 70-year-old body might only absorb a fraction of it. That's why timing is everything. Taking whey protein before bed gives your muscles the fuel when they need it most during sleep, when hormones for healing are highest. 2. Leucine, the spark plug. Leucine is an amino acid that acts like a light switch. It triggers something called muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds new muscle. And the older we get, the more we need to flip the switch, because our bodies don't do it as naturally. Science shows that 3 grams of leucine before bed doubles the muscle building response in older adults. And 3. Collagen peptides, the reinforcer. Muscle strength is nothing if your joints are in pain. Collagen peptides support tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, the scaffolding that holds your strength together. Within weeks, studies show improved joint mobility and reduced stiffness in those who add collagen to their routine. Taken together, this trio becomes more than a supplement. It becomes a ritual of renewal. 3. Helen's comeback, the story that sparked a movement. Helen is 78. She used to be strong. She raised 4 children. She walked to the market. She kept a garden that bloomed brighter than any in her neighborhood. Then her husband passed, and little by little her body faded. She stopped moving. Her legs weakened. Her arms thinned. She didn't trust her body anymore. But one night, after weeks of research and soul-searching, she began something new. They blended 1 scoop, 30 g of grass-fed whey protein, 1 scoop, 10 g's of collagen peptides, 3 grams of leucine powder, mixed with almond milk and a pinch of cinnamon. She drank it slowly, about 45 minutes before bed. At first she noticed her sleep improved. Then her energy came back in the mornings. Then her legs stopped trembling on stairs. And by the 3rd week, she walked into her garden and began digging again. She wasn't chasing youth. She was reclaiming her strength. 4. Nighttime. The forgotten window of healing. Most people focus on what they eat during the day. But what you eat before bed, that's where the magic happens. At night, your body releases growth hormone. It repairs tissue. It fights inflammation. It builds muscle. But here's the problem. By nightfall, most people haven't eaten for 4 to 6 hours, and their bodies have no fuel to work with. You're asking your body to repair a house with no tools. When you drink this blend before sleep, you're handing your body the blueprints, the bricks, and the hammer, and while you rest, it rebuilds. Every night becomes a step toward renewal. Every morning, a chance to feel more solid, more stable, more alive. 5. The simple nightly recipe that changes everything. Here's how you can start tonight. 1 scoop, 30-40 grass-fed whey protein. 1 scoop, 10-15 collagen peptides. 3 g pure leucine powder. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or water. Under half a banana or a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and melatonin support. Mix, sip slowly, breathe deeply. Let this become your sacred pause. No screens, no stress, just you and a quiet decision to choose strength. 6. But I'm too old, right? Well, a 2017 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that even people in their 80s showed significant muscle gains when they consumed protein with leucine before bed. You are never too old to get stronger. You are never too far gone to rebuild. Your body is not broken, it's waiting. And this spoon, it's not just a scoop of powder, and it's a signal to your cells that you are not done, that there's more life in you yet. 7. Rebuilding isn't just physical, it's emotional. This isn't just about muscles. It's about dignity. It's about walking into a room and not being afraid you'll trip. About standing from a chair without needing a hand. About lifting a bag of groceries and feeling capable. That's the power of strength. It restores more than your muscles. It restores your confidence, your freedom, your peace. And every time you choose this nightly ritual, you choose more than recovery. You choose respect for your body. You choose hope. Let's rise together. So tonight, make the choice. Not tomorrow. Tonight, make your blend. Sit in silence. Sip slowly and feel your spirit whisper. I am strong. I am healing. I am not done yet. And you're not alone. Thousands of seniors around the world are discovering the power of one spoon. This isn't just nutrition. It's a movement. It's level up wisdom, where we don't chase youth. We honor aging with strength. Have you tried this before bed ritual? What ingredient are you most excited to try? Comment below, share your journey. Let's build strength together. And if this video moved you, like it, share it, subscribe. Because your body deserves to be fueled. Your soul deserves to feel strong. And your life, every part of it, deserves to be lived powerfully.